my loves. How are you? How you guys doing? So welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lope, Lope, and welcome back. So yeah, today I'm in my, sorry about the noise. It's about 8:30 in the morning, so it's kind of a rush hour. So right now I'm in my content room, and this is like the balcony of my space, and this is where I like make content, if you recognize the curve and everything. So I'm just trying to like get this place to look better, and you know, I take all my pictures basically here and I make my content here. So I needed more lights, and I called them an artisan to do it for me, and this guy stained everywhere. Like, look at his feet. I was so angry. I wasn't supposed to even paint this place. It was like very neat, and this guy just stained everything just because he wanted to add these two lights. Anyway, I decided to like paint it again because obviously that's like my background and it's very dirty. So I've been looking for an artisan and I haven't been able to get any. They're like saying they are busy and everything, and the other one was, he didn't even call back. So I am like, okay, let's just do this ourselves, and I decided to film the process for you guys. Okay, so I'm supposed to be filming a video now, but anyway, it is what I'm going to take it one at a time. So I'm just trying to like transform this place around, like change the tile to like a vinyl tile, and then paint the place. So, and then try to like clean it up and everything, so that, you know, content can be given. And these are like some of my plants that I use to beautify this place. This pothos is actually dying, but I'm going to do something about it soon. And this is like my little cactus that has been with me for like 3 years, and it's still growing. Yeah. And then I have this long cactus. That's just a little plant that I put upstairs. So I'm just going to try to like clean this old place and then make it nicer, so that when I make content it can bang. Anyway, I'm going to keep you guys updated, and okay, bye. This vlogging thing is hard. You guys didn't tell me. I'm currently in Moshe and I'm buying the tiles now. Like, we found a place and it's going for like, I think 17k or so. I think 18k, and we are going to buy 2 packs. So yeah, I'm waiting for the man to bring out our stuff. So yeah, pushing. So we are finally going to go with the vinyl one, just like this, because like the wood one is so expensive, and I don't think I can. I cannot. So this is like the wooden one, yeah, and then this is the vinyl one. So I'm going for this one, and I love it so much. Yeah, so this one is very good. Like, it's like a matte feel kind of thing, and this one is shiny. So I'm going for the matte one because why not? So yeah, updates. So this, I got this 4-liter paint, and this is like the vinyl flooring we got from Moshe, and this is the gum. This is like the gum thing. So I'm just going to try to like do it myself, since we can't get anything, and like B is going to help me. B is going to help me with it. So yeah, this vinyl we had to get like two packs. We have to get 2 packs, and like they were like some left, so we bought the remaining from the man. And then so this is paint, and mixed paint, and we're trying to like try to paint it ourselves, especially this place, because I'm not happy with that guy. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated.
How you did so far? You do what?
Then 31, about 2 hours in, and we're done. Looking cute and neat. So yeah, updates. Waiting for it to dry. So I tried to clean this sand place because of my plant and everything, and I clean this place too. So yeah, so it's just remaining the floor. Let's work on the floor. Yeah. So this is the current process of the floor. I guess we are getting there and it is looking beautiful. So yeah, we are going to like try to finish up today because it's really slow. I'm tired. Yeah.
You are not in coach, you are nonsense and shit. And if you know, how do you buy a giant mammy? I'm no customer to one you.
The thinking now is how we can like do this curve thing without wasting too much of material. I don't know about mathematics skills. I'm trying to like cut it out and then anyway, progress. So here is the process. Sorry, the progress. Not even dramatic. Here's the process. So we started putting sides, as you can see. It's looking so cute. And then to finish cutting that curve and we're just placing them down. So there's a little bit and we have about maybe five veneers left. I'm hoping this is okay. So tired. Oh no, it's not easy, okay. Anyway, almost done, and the paint is dry and coming together. Everywhere is neat, very, very neat. I'm so glad. Workspace is so scattered. Oh, I'll show you. Let's just take it one by one and yeah. So I keep my packaging boxes here. I have some downstairs also. So I'm going to try and rearrange this place because every time I want to pack order and I want to take boxes down, I have to scatter it again. Anyway, yeah. So this set just got delivered and I started using them already. These are just boxes. These are just the pieces of the banana that I used. Anyway, I'm so glad that it was enough. It's waiting for it to dry. Like it's very new thing. Hi guys. So it's about 5:05 in the evening and I think the floor is dry and I'm not trying to like bring the stuff back so that we can move on. So I was supposed to make a neon light but I've not gotten the right vendor for it. So if you please know anybody that makes neon lights, you know all those lights that they put in the background for businesses. So please link me up in the comment section. You hear me? Thank you. So I'm so glad that we ourselves because we saved like 35-40K just because we decided to do this. The guy that wanted to come here earlier just for the floor wanted to charge us about 30K and then the painting and everything. I'm so glad that it's perfect and we can move on. So I'm going to work on the neon lights very soon, and I'm sure very soon you'll see it in my content. So yeah, so it's ready, and I'm so good. Like, just take a look at how clean it is. Like, it looks like a professional did it, especially this curve. Like, I did this with my hands, man. So yeah, send me your space, measure it. Because Lope is gonna make it for you. Anyway, I'm just going to put back the mannequins and then the rack so that my workspace can be free. So like, I used the whole day. I was supposed to use to work to do this place, but I'm glad. I'm so glad I did. And thanks to Babe for helping me, because at some point I was so tired. Anyway, I'm just going to bring back the racks. Is the way everything is matching. It's just not anyway. I think this should be the end of our video, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Let me go and rest. I'm so tired then. Bye guys. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.